Hello, my name's Bridget and I'm going to be working with the Lanes Shopping Centre today, doing some summer makeup looks on some lovely ladies. I'm a makeup artist within Carlisle, Cumbria, so this is the sort of thing that I love doing for women and making them feel and look ultra special. Right, so what I've done already is I've put on Laura's eyebrows in the number 3 Benefit Brow Pencil, which is a nice blonde colour. And I've prepped her eye with the Eden Eye Primer by Urban Decay, which is going to hold the eyeshadow in place and also even out the skin tone underneath on her eyelid. So I'm going to start with the Urban Decay new Beach Palette, which has got a variety of colours in, which are quite versatile. So what I'm going to do is take a really nice soft YSL pencil in black, and that's going to go, close your eyes for me, that's going to go right in the eyelash root. Where the eyelashes join the skin, I'm going to put the black eyeliner right in there, nice and tight, and it's really easy for me to do because the pencil is so soft. Right, so with us doing a summer look, I am going to use this primer, the Urban Decay De-Slick Primer. So I'm just going to apply a small amount of that primer to the areas where Laura's going to slightly perspire. So just pressing it into the nose area here and the chin and round there. And I am going to go for the new Benefit foundation. Now this is great because it's an SPF 15 and it's a sheer to medium coverage, so you can build it up. And I'm just going to take a damp beauty blender. These are brilliant, these are from Primark. So a nice damp beauty blender, which means you can sort of sheer out the foundation. I'm then going to go in with a concealer, and I'm sure most of you will know that I am a bit of a fan of a Estee Lauder Double Wear concealer. And then, as always, we need to set that with a powder, and I'm going to use the Laura Geller powder. It's got a little bit of coverage to it, so it's something that Laura can put in a handbag on holiday. She can touch up with it and give a little bit of extra coverage, and it's got a little bit of a glow as well, so it's not going to be too matte. Again, a Real Techniques brush here, and I've got the Estee Lauder new Bronze Goddess powder in number 3, which is quite a nice colour for Laura because she's already got a tan anyway, so we're just bringing out that natural tan. Right, so I'm just going to do a couple of finishing touches on Laura. So we're going to do the lips now. I'm going to use a nice Rimmel lip liner in Spice. It's a lovely nude shade. You can pretty much wear it with most lipsticks. So I'm just going to frame her lips there. And I've decided to go with a L'Oreal lipstick, which is absolutely beautiful. It's a really nice sort of balmy, dewy finish. And they've got a few different colours, and that is the colour that I'm going to be using. Perfect for the summer. We all like a coral lip at some point in the summer, so Laura's got that really nice sort of warm skin and she can really carry it off. And I'm just going to do one last finishing touch because it's what I quite like to do, is I'm going to add a little bit of the Dior Sparkle. These are the Dior Show Fusion Mono, and I just add a little bit of this bronzing glitter. It's not like massive glitter, it's just a little tiny speckles. Close your eye, and then just going to dust that over the top of her eye makeup. And it just adds a little bit more of an evening look or something a little bit special and a little bit different without looking too drag queeny. And there we go, open your eyes, and that's you done.